Today, after many months, we are again discussing Zilliqa, your favorite. And not only that we're gonna discuss the price versus dollar, but I'm gonna resolve everything you need to know on the charts in just 2 steps. So if you are a Zilliqa holder or you are planning to become one, this video is a must. Join me and please welcome the old dinosaur. Now, if you hear funny noises in the background, don't get alarmed. I'm just making this recording in my natural habitat, so nothing unusual if you hear some dinosaurs. That said, let's jump into the chart of Zilliqa versus dollar. Daily one. Every candle, 1 day. This is enough, daily chart, for us to, at the moment, conclude what is happening with the price and where are we heading. Before I give you those 2 steps, let me just remind you that this is not the first video that we are making on Zilliqa. We made a few, last one in January, where we dissected the price action. It was a long time ago now. Check that one out. But most importantly, I want to mention the price prediction that we made in November of last year. In that video, Zilliqa was worth 1 cent. First, I gave you the target of 13 cents that we ran smoothly, and not even run that smoothly, but overperform it. As you can see, in May, Zilliqa doubled what we said, so almost 26 cents, 25, double overperformance, but that is good. I always expect when making a price prediction for the coin to overperform. It's better to overperform than underperform, right? But most importantly, after that 13 cents, that is now the past, and you will see the significance of it in today's video. I give you the final target that I believe the Zilliqa will go by the end of this year. Yes, I said $1 is a possibility of Zilliqa. It was many months ago, but it still holds ground. I will not back off my target. I still believe that is a possibility. And that is the area that we are heading right now. If you believed in my 13 cents, maybe you should believe in that $1. Absolutely check out that video one more time to see what I'm talking about. Now, what's happening right now? This is why you clicked on this video. In 2 steps, I will tell you everything you need to know. I will resolve this price analysis. And start with the step 1. Step 1 is Fibonacci retracement tool, well known stuff that we are using on this channel, and we will use it in a manner that we will take into account this pullback, huge pullback from May till July, and get our answers. So let's begin. As I said, the level of around 25-26 cents will be our starting point. Then we will just pull down our tool, Fibonacci retracement tool, like this, and we are getting everything we need. On this chart right now, in the step 1, you can see why we stopped, where we stopped, what supported us, and where could we be heading. First thing first, after that low, we headed to higher grounds. And what do you know, we were rejected by the 38.2% retracement of 12.9 cents. So let's conclude it into 13 cents. One more time you are hearing about 13 cents. Interesting. But it doesn't matter right now. All you need to remember is this. After we regain higher grounds, you could still be again facing the level of 13 cents. If you are a swing trader, you can use that target and keep an eye on it. Maybe taking some profits around that level when we come up to it again. If that suits your style, would be smart. I don't know, I'm not a financial advisor. You decide for yourself. So we got our first level, and the answer why we stopped at those recent highs, around 13 cents. Let's go further. The next level I want to discuss is 9.9 cents, so let's conclude it again at 10 cents. This, ladies and gentlemen, in 23.6% was, let's say, very important support line for Zilliqa. Why, you ask? I think it's obvious. Just follow this line at around 10 cents, 23.6% retracement, and you will soon get tired to see how significant it was. Support, fall down, but heading higher to where 13 cents, support again, support again, support again. After we broke the support, a retest of those levels, and then again, after finding higher ground, support, then here, quick burst after hitting that 13 cents, 10 cents again, 10 cents again, and now this is the important part. A few days ago, we unfortunately again broke this very crucial line of support at 10 cents. We are below it. This in itself is indicating some bearishness. And now, since that is the case, you shouldn't be surprised. Although I hope that doesn't happen. Erase this. Bad choice of words. Hope is not good in trading, investing. I think that it won't happen. But since we broke this crucial line of support, now is our resistance. And all of this area, one more time, is becoming some kind of a danger zone. Can we retest one more time those levels of 5 cents? Well, yes we can. I don't believe that we will, but now it is a possibility. Looking at this, in our step 1, Zilliqa is still bearish. Now, if we close anywhere higher than this 5 cents, this is a bullish sign because we're making a higher low. So let's conclude, after all of this, the most important stuff. Can be simpler than this. The level of 10 cents is our first huge resistance. After we break it, we are heading to 13 cents, and that should be no problem. After that, we are in entirely different universe. But let's discuss those levels when we get to there. 10 cents, 13 cents, your next levels of resistances. Keep in mind, we are still in our step 1. So let's head to the famous step 2. And step 2 is basically, significantly, and most simplistically, exponential moving average. With step 2, after all of this, determining support and resistance lines, you will know if something is bullish or bearish. Ladies and gentlemen, I choose 55 exponential moving average that you're seeing on the screen right now. That is telling us so much about the Zilliqa price action. In simpler terms, when we are above 55 exponential moving average, we're starting to get bullish. When we are below it, we are bearish. For example, all of this area, from the middle of May until the beginning of August, Zilliqa was bearish, and the price action is showing us that. Lower and lower and lower. In here, we tried to regain some bullish momentum, but failed. And right now, what is happening? Well, unfortunately, there is not much to say, but we are again below it. And if you listen to what I rambled in the last few minutes, you know what it is. A pretty bearish sign. 55 exponential moving average is standing right at 10 cents right now. And now you can see the conjunction of our Fibonacci retracement analysis and 55 EMA. First, big resistance is at 10 cents. Can't get any clearer than this. Now, I believe that in the next few days, we are heading from this 8 cents that we are right now to the 10 cents. After that, we will see how the price reacts. Will it break 10 cents or got heavily rejected? That's it. 2 steps. All the information you need right now about Zilliqa. Step 1 gave us some bearish indications. Step 2 also some bearish indications. But remember, we are talking about the short-term price action, not long-term. Long-term, I believe Zilliqa is bullish. I believe those levels of $1 will be reached in the next few months. But in terms of weeks, you should be careful. Because remember one thing, this was a huge pullback. And now, I believe we entered consolidation phase. We are not in a confirmed bull according to the daily chart. So, it's possible that we go above 55 and then below and above and so on until we regain that support on those crucial levels that I just mentioned. Maybe this was a little too long preaching, but you got the steps. You got everything you need. Hope you enjoyed. If that is the case, I'm hoping to see those thumbs up. I hope that you subscribe to our channel, share it with someone that needs it, and all those good stuff. Thank you from the bottom of my dinosaur heart. If you're still around, why not watching this video about this crypto? Maybe I just touched your area of interest. In any case, until the next time, Zilliqa fans, see you at the moon.